In this video, I'll guide you through funding your RoboForex account step by step. 1. Begin by logging into your account and navigating to the Funds section in the top menu. 2. From the drop-down options, select Deposit Funds to proceed. You'll now see the deposit interface. Here you can choose your preferred payment method. Options vary by country. Enter the deposit amount. Initiate the transaction. For this demonstration, I'm depositing $70 via bank card. After entering the amount, I'll click Deposit and provide my card details on the secure payment page. Success! The transaction completes instantly, and the funds are immediately available in my trading account. Pro tip: RoboForex supports multiple deposit methods including bank transfer and Google Pay, so you can always choose what works best for your region.